Welcome you all children to our today's math session. In this video you will learn about some 2D and 3D objects and its properties. Triangle has dash corners. Triangle has 3 corners. 4 sides of a square are equal. Circle has how many sides? Circle has no sides. Rectangle has dash diagonals. Rectangle has 2 equal diagonals. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Circle has 1 center point. Plane surface. Surface of a few objects like walls, floor, papers and top of a table are flat. Flat surfaces are otherwise called as plane surfaces or planes. Cubes and cuboids have flat surfaces. Some examples are table, blackboard, suitcase, after that book. Then curved surface. Surfaces of few objects such as ball, flower vase, pot are curved. Cone, cylinder and sphere have curved surfaces. Some examples for curved surfaces are first one ball, second one carrot, third one battery cell, fourth one pot, fifth one vessel and sixth one lemon. Then next, some of the shapes are given here. We have to identify which shapes are having plane surface, curved surface and plane and curved surface. First one cube, after that cuboid. Both are having plane surface. The next one cylinder. It is having both plane surface and curved surface. The next one sphere. It is having curved surface. The last one cone. It is having both plane surface and curved surface. Construction of 3D shapes. Look at the things around you. Identify the shapes of the objects. Observe the dimensions of these objects. The first one Coca-Cola bottle and second one berry, third one cube, fourth one sphere and next one battery cell and dice, after that tomato, after that football and after that tin. These are all the 3D shapes around us. The Coca-Cola bottle is having the shape of a cylinder and berry is having the shape of a sphere and next one cube. Then fourth one ball. It is having shape of a sphere and also tomato and volleyball is also having the shape of a sphere and battery cell which is having the shape of the cylinder and dice is having the shape of a cube. After that tin it is having the shape of a cylinder. 3D shapes. They are cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, pyramid and cone. Solid shapes have 3 dimensions, namely length, breadth and height. These are shortly called as 3D shapes. A cube is a solid shape made of squares. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cuboid is a solid shape made of rectangles. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A sphere is a solid shape made of circles. It has 1 face, no edges and no vertex. Complete the following table by filling the properties of 2D and 3D shapes. First figure is 2D figure, which is a rectangle. Number of sides 4 and number of edges 4 and number of corners in rectangle, that is also 4, but the number of diagonals, that is 2. After that triangle, it is having 3 sides, 3 edges, 3 corners and no diagonals in it. The next one circle. It is having no sides and no edges in it and also no corners and there is no diagonals in the circle. Then fourth one is square. It is having 4 sides, 4 edges and 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Then triangle. It is a 2D shape which is having 3 corners, 3 edges and 3 sides and it also not having the Diagonals. The next one, rectangle, which is a 2D shape. It is having 3 sides, 3 edges and 3 vertices, and 2 diagonals are in it. The next one, cube, which is a 3D shape. It is having 6 sides, 8 vertices and 8 corners, and it has 2 diagonals. The next one, cuboid, which is having 6 sides and also 8 edges and 8 corners, and it is having 2 diagonals. Then last shape is sphere, which is a 3D shape. It is having no diagonals, no sides, no corners and no edges. Match the following. The first shape is cube. The dice is having the shape cube, and the next shape is the right side cubical box we are having. After that, cylinder. The left side battery cell is having the shape cylinder. In the right side, the cool drinks drink tin is having the shape cylinder. And the next one, sphere. Ball is having the shape sphere. And the right side, globe is having the shape sphere. The last one, cuboid. This left side gift box is having the shape cuboid. On the right side, the suitcase is having the tangram. Create shapes using tangram pieces. Tangram is a traditional Chinese puzzle made of a square divided into 7 pieces. 1 parallelogram, 1 square and 5 triangles that can be arranged to match particular designs. We can make many figures of animals, people and other things. Simplified version of tangram puzzle is available with 5 pieces also. Here, number the pieces in each of these figures according to the numbering in the tangram puzzle. This practice is left for you children. The next, complete the following tiling pattern. You have to complete the first tiling pattern and second, third as like this. Thank you all children.